Good morning, my dear students. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the plastics and the types of plastics. What are the plastics? The plastics are the high molecular weight organic polymers which can be molded into any desired shape by the apply of heat and pressure in the presence of catalyst. సో ఏదైనా ఒక ఆర్గానిక్ పాలిమరు మన ఏ షేప్ కావాలంటే ఆ షేప్ హీట్ అండ్ ప్రెజర్ అప్లై చేసుకుని చేంజ్ చేసుకునే మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ పాలిమర్ను మనం ప్లాస్టిక్స్ అంటారు. సింప్లీ ద మెటీరియల్ విచ్ షోస్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిసిటీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ ద ప్లాస్టిక్స్. ప్లాస్టిసిటీ మీన్స్ that can be molded into any desired shape by the applying the heat and pressure. That property is known as the plasticity. So these plastics are the two types: thermoplastics and thermosettings. So thermoplastics, there are two types. First one is the thermoplastics, second one is the thermosettings plastics. So thermoplastics are the soften on heating. Heat application of that plastic becomes soft. Harden on cooling. That plastics are known as the thermoplastics. Means these are soft on heating, harden on cooling. That type of plastics are known as the thermoplastics. So these are formed by additional polymerization means, so the single here the one monomers, many number of monomers combined together to form a long chain organic polymer, that is known as the additional polymerization. So these thermoplastics are formed by the additional polymerizations. So like M is the monomer, n number of monomers combined in the presence of heat and pressure, it form like chain, form the polymer. This method is the additional polymerization. So there is no cross links. These thermoplastics are reversible. Reversible means here forward reaction and backward reaction. So polymers again recycling. So these are recyclable. So recycling cheseychu manam. These are recycling from the waste. There is no cross links, and these are very soft. These thermoplastics are soft, next weak and less brittle. సో సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంటాయి, వీక్గా ఉంటుంది, అండ్ బ్రిటిల్నెస్ అని మీన్స్ పెలుసుదనం అనేది ఉండదన్నమాట. సో దీస్ చైన్స్ ఆర్ హెల్డ్ బై వీక్ వాండర్వాల్ ఫోర్సెస్. Are present. Weak Vanderwaal forces is present. So weak Vanderwaal forces అనేది ఉంటాయండి. So these are linear polymers, and these are soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvents like hexane, benzene, ఇలాంటి solvents లో these are soluble in organic solvents. So these are reclaimed or recycled from the waste. So for example, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene are example for the thermoplastics. So these are soften on heating, harden on cooling. So these are formed by the additional polymerization like this. So these are reversible. That means these are recyclable from the waste. So these are soft, weak, and less brittle. These chains are held together by weak van der Waals forces, and these are linear polymers soluble in organic solvents. Next, coming to the thermosettings plastics. These are the opposite to the thermoplastics. So these are not softened on heating. These are not softened once they are set, are known as the thermosetting plastics. So plastics which are not hardened, plastics which are hardened on heating and cannot be softened by any means, any method. So these are not softened on heating once they are set are known as the thermosetting plastics. ఒకసారి సెట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి ఫామ్ చేసినాక they are not softened on heating once they are set are known as the thermosetting plastics. So once heat, these are becomes to the harden. So these are formed by the condensation polymerization. So means here the A one monomer plus B one monomer to form the C. So condensation polymerization is occurred by step polymerization, and the C reacts with this C reacts with D to form the E. So this is the first step, this is the second step. This is the condensation polymerase, and eliminated the some small molecule like that. Small molecule eliminate అవుతూ the step by step process జరిగేదాన్ని condensation polymerization అంటారు. So these thermosetting plastics are formed by this condensation polymerization. That's why so these are irreversible. These are irreversible in nature. These are irreversible reactions. These are not reclaimed from the waste. Not reclaimed from the waste. And these are cross-linked polymer. Like this, if it is the one polymer chain, and another one is this is the another polymer chain. Between this polymer chain, the cross-linked are there. This is the cross links present between the polymer chains. So these are cross-linked polymer. In thermoplastics are the single single polymer chain. Here that means there is no cross links. Here the cross links are present. Cross links are present between the polymer chains. This is the structure of thermosetting plastics. These are very strong. These are strong and hard and more brittle. Means pelusundanam anedi untundi. If you see the polythene cover, that cannot be brittle. మనం దాన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు కానీ బ్రేక్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ద స్విచ్ బోర్డ్స్ like this, that plastics can be broken and means విరిగిపోయే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. దట్ ఈజ్ known as the brittleness. So but strong, hard and more brittle. thermoplastics are the soft, మనకు సాఫ్ట్గా మెత్తగా ఉంటుంది, వీక్గా ఉంటుంది, బట్ బ్రిటిల్, మనం బ్రేక్ చేయలేము, టేర్ చేయొచ్చు కానీ. సో దీస్ ద డిఫరెన్సెస్ బిట్వీన్ థర్మోప్లాస్టిక్స్ అండ్ thermosettings. So these are the cross linked. These are not soluble in organic solvents. For example, bakelite. So bakelite is formed by the phenol reacts with the formaldehyde from the bakelite, and urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin. Urea formaldehyde resin and silicones. So these are the example for the thermosettings plastics. So these are not softened on heating once they are set. So that means by applying the heat, these are hardened and they are not softened. So these plastics are thermosetting plastics. These are formed by the condensation polymerization. It means step by step polymerization like this. And these polymer chains are held together by the cross links. These are the irreversible reactions. These are not reclaimed from the waste. So cross-linked polymer means the polymer chains are held together by these cross links. These are the strong, hard and more brittle. These are not soluble in organic solvents. So waste నుంచి మనం రీసైకిల్ చేయలేం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూరియా అండ్ ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్ resin. So very important for the essay questions. Okay.